Morning guys, today I'm making this quick video to teach you how to turn on the PC even if you don't have a power button. See, what happened is my power button, the power button of my PC got broke down just now, and what I did is I just cut the wires. Oh, where's my camera? Okay, let's cut the wires from here and here. All you have to do now is join these two cables. Not, I mean, you can see 4 cables here, but all you have to do now is just discard the white and the green, and you're gonna have to use the orange and the black. Let me show you my screen. It's not working. You can't turn on the computer from here since there's no power button. So let's do it. Just touch the orange and the black for a fraction of a second. I hope you can see it. Okay, the black and the orange. Because of this, so the PC is running, and you can see the screen as well. Well, I hope it will help you. What you need to do again is to switch these two wires, the orange and the black. Thanks for watching.